Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Megan. Today I am doing my second how I clean video, and today I am showing you how I clean my high chair. So let's get started. First, I take off the cover that goes over the chair portion of it, and I get that into the wash. It has to be washed in the washing machine. I've already taken off the little decorative pad part of it. That I haven't actually been using that much lately because it's so light in color, it's getting filthy. So once that is removed, then I grab my white vinegar and I start cleaning. So here I'm just pouring vinegar onto a paper towel. Normally I would use a reusable cloth, but they were all dirty and in the wash, so still wanted to be able to get this done. So just poured on some vinegar. I'm going to let that soak for at least 10 minutes, and then I will clean the rest of the chair as well. For the tray that he eats off of, I use straight vinegar, and then for the rest of the chair, I like to use really hot water with vinegar mixed in. Here I am just taking a damp rag and I'm getting off all of the extra vinegar that had been sitting on there, so I just didn't want him to smell it or taste it the next time he eats. Now I'm moving on to trying to get out some of the crumbs, and then I'll be moving on to getting off the really stuck on stains on the side. So grabbed my vacuum and I'm going to get out what I can with that. And it worked pretty well, I have to say. It got a lot of the dried pasta out of there. Here is the really hard part about this high chair, these little grooves where food gets stuck in there. But I have figured out that you can use a skewer, like a kebab skewer, to get out anything that's stuck in there. It's awesome, and it's stronger than a toothpick, so I feel like it works a lot better. Look at that, it got everything off the high chair, and here is the finished product, a totally clean high chair ready to be used. And of course I'm keeping it real for you guys with the blanket underneath and the air vent taken out by my son. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love to have you subscribe and join my channel. See you soon.